at Oakmore Golf Course, and we're going to go ahead and transport 12 golf carts.
Yeah.
And he has the Infinity that you're going to see, and we're going to see how many he can fit on the Infinity. Hopefully we can fit 6. That'll be two trips, but we'll find out.
Right. Wow, look at that truck with the Infinity. Very, very nice. Huh.
Yes. So this is, like I said, Oakmore Golf Course, and they're getting rid of, they sold the golf course. We have 1 on the trailer so far. We're taking a total of 12.
This is Reels Auto Transport at your service. My wife Alicia, and we've been doing this for 3.5 years. And this is called the Infinity trailer, made it in Texas.
Nice.
It's the best of the best.
Sure is.
These are the best golf clubs, golf carts.
This is the first load. As you can see, there's 5 golf carts. There's a little bit of room in the back. Probably could have put 1 more with the ramps a little down, but comfortably there's 5, and that's how we're gonna take it.
You still there?
Yeah.
Let's go. Roll it out. Try to keep it tight. There you go. Give it gas. Don't keep something. There you go. I'll see you over there. Go ahead. Not ready.
This is the second load, 5 more golf carts. This time, of course, we loaded in the shade because it's starting to get warm. So if you're wondering, you can fit 5 golf carts on this trailer. Now, of course, you could have put definitely 1 there. So it could have been 6. You could have put 1 right here. Right?
Come here. You tell me, you would put 1 up there.
Yes.
You must be one of the...
Why?
This trailer is not made for golf carts.
Oh, it's narrow.
Okay, it's a lot easier for the golf cart to fall down here. If it falls over there, where's it going to end up?
A little bit on your truck.
So this is why I'm doing 5 at a time. If the mesh was wider, Or maybe if I was doing long distance, I'll get a couple guys and put them this way.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because I see them do it that way. But I don't have a couple guys. Just me and you. Okay, ready? Did you see how I scrapped the front?
No, let me see.
See, if I slam the brakes, this is not going nowhere.
Oh, true.
You don't have no room right here. So what I did, I went, hooked it over here, went under this. See? Cars or trailers, look at this. Huh? Gotta make that money.
You think this is under 250 cargo?
It's under 250 cargo.
It's a joke.
I didn't get it.